Welcome back to SK Car World, everyone. If you're new here, thank you for joining us. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any future reviews. Today, we're diving into a detailed look at the all-new 2026 Honda Ridgeline, a pickup truck that's been turning heads thanks to its refined updates, impressive utility, and car-like driving dynamics. Whether you're a longtime fan of the Ridgeline or just curious about what makes this truck stand out in a crowded midsize segment, stick around. This review is for you. Now, let's get straight into it. At first glance, the 2026 Honda Ridgeline looks more aggressive and rugged than ever before. Honda has clearly taken cues from customer feedback and given this truck a bold new front fascia, with a larger, squared-off grille, redesigned LED headlights, and a more sculpted hood. The updated body lines along the sides give it a sportier, more capable appearance, all while retaining that distinctive unibody silhouette the Ridgeline is known for. Honda continues to offer the Ridgeline in several trims, including the Sport, RTL, RTLE, and the top-tier Black Edition. For 2026, there's a new TrailSport trim that brings even more off-road capability and visual toughness. It adds unique badging, underbody skid plates, all-terrain tires, and revised suspension tuning for better trail performance. This is Honda's answer to the growing demand for trucks that can handle both daily commuting and weekend adventures. Under the hood, the 2026 Ridgeline comes standard with Honda's tried-and-true 3.5-liter V6 engine, producing around 280 horsepower and 262 pound-feet of torque. It's paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission that delivers smooth, responsive shifts. While it's not trying to be the most powerful truck in its class, the Ridgeline strikes a perfect balance between performance, efficiency, and reliability. It's got enough muscle for towing up to 5,000 pounds, ideal for small boats, trailers, or even a pair of jet skis. What really sets the Ridgeline apart, though, is the driving experience. Thanks to its unibody construction essentially making it a pickup on a crossover SUV platform, the Ridgeline drives more like a refined SUV than a traditional truck. The ride is smooth, handling is sharp for its size, and road noise is impressively low. If you've ever driven a body-on-frame truck, you'll immediately notice the difference, and for many people, that's a huge plus. Inside, the 2026 Ridgeline has received a well-deserved interior refresh. Materials feel more upscale, with soft touch surfaces, better stitching, and a cleaner overall layout. The infotainment system has been upgraded to a 9-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it's now quicker and more responsive than before. Higher trims add features like wireless phone charging, a premium 540-watt audio system, navigation, and a surround view camera system that makes parking and off-roading easier. One of the Ridgeline's signature features remains the dual-action tailgate and in-bed trunk. This is honestly one of the smartest storage solutions in the truck world. The tailgate can swing open like a door or drop down like a traditional gate, giving you versatile access to the bed. Beneath it, the lockable in-bed trunk offers about 7 cubic feet of weatherproof storage, perfect for tools, groceries, or even using it as a cooler for camping trips. You won't find anything quite like this on competing trucks. When it comes to safety, Honda has equipped every Ridgeline trim with the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, forward collision warning with automatic emergency braking, and more. It's reassuring to see this level of safety offered across the board, especially in a pickup where long-distance drives and hauling family or gear is common. Fuel economy remains competitive for the segment, with the Ridgeline averaging around 18 mpg in the city and 24 on the highway. For a mid-size truck with AWD as standard, That's not bad at all, especially when paired with Honda's legendary reputation for reliability. Pricing for the 2026 Ridgeline starts in the mid-40,000 range and climbs into the low 50,000s depending on trim and options. While that might seem high for a mid-sized truck, remember, you're getting a lot of standard features, excellent ride quality, and clever utility that rivals simply don't offer. The TrailSport and Black Edition trims, while more expensive, are packed with luxury touches and off-road readiness that justify their price tags. To sum it all up, the 2026 Honda Ridgeline isn't trying to be the biggest or most aggressive pickup on the road. Instead, it carves out a niche of its own, offering real truck utility in a more refined, everyday drivable package. Whether you're hauling gear to a job site, towing toys for a weekend getaway, or just running errands around town, the Ridgeline delivers comfort, capability, and convenience in a way that few others can. So, what do you think of the 2026 Ridgeline? Is this the right truck for your lifestyle, or do you prefer a more traditional body-on-frame design? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.